Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. We got a big old box. And we're gonna see what's inside right now. Alright guys, here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at Airzeen. Effortless cleaning, endless joy. Now this is going to be a smart robot vacuum cleaner with wash mop heads. So it's like a 2-in-1. Better than a Roomba. And cheaper. All you gotta do is click the link, check it out. And we're going to see what this is all about. Alright, this is the Airzeen Q10 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. Oh baby. A small little dude, but size doesn't matter as long as it's powerful. And it packs a punch. We shall see what this thing does right now. And you can see here, it's a all-in-one vacuum and mop, automatic dust collection, laser navigation, and you can edit the map. And now we got it open. Alright, you get a couple bonuses. You get the those two things, the brushes, air filter, and a cleaner. Of course, a manual and a mop pad. Look how tiny these things are. Really tiny. This would be good for any college dorm, home, small apartment, your work area. It'd be good for many things. Okay, here we go. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Sensors, you gotta take these off so they won't break. There we go. I think the lid might come off. Nope, not this one. So the power button right there. The sensor. Really cool. And then this. I'm gonna have some stuff in here. Another baggie. That's always a good thing to have. Oh, there's goes in there. Ow. So we got some extra stuff. I'm gonna take everything out. I think I got everything. And make sure you remove this. There we go. Yeah, there's the water goes. Fill it up. You're good to go. And now we're gonna do the setup. Alright guys, I had to flip it to the back side right now. And right here is the dustbin and water tank. Very easy to take out. See that? One-handed. And that's where the water goes and everything else. See water, you fill it right there. So I'm going to have to lift this up and go to the sink and pour some water on it. And there should be like a fill line underneath. Somewhere in there, but not too much. It tells how much. Directions. But yeah, these things are easy to put on. There's gonna be an app to install, so I'm about to do that next. All I gotta do is boom. These are clicked in, and we get a backup one too, so that's a good thing. I cleaned the rest of the stuff up, so now we got the basics, what I need to install this machine. So we got that hooked up, and there, this is easy to take apart. Right here at the latches, this push and pull up. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to, it's brand new. So once you start cleaning, a few days, check on it, make sure maybe no dog hair or cat hair, human hair gets tangled in, and give it a clean. Maybe once a week or twice a week, it all depends on how much you're gonna use it, you know. But yeah, easy peasy install. Then once you're ready, just slide it back like that, and it'll click right there. So I'm gonna fill it up with water. Be right back. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. You can see a little bit. I added the water, pretty good amount. I think I got it right by the fill line. So I wasn't too sure. I don't want to overfill it, you know. Brand new, so But yeah, that was easy. And now time to install the app. Be right back. And there's what the app is called. Available on the Android and iOS, your Apple Store. So it's Home IoT. And now we're install. Alright, once we're in, you're in. Simple. They're going to send you a verification code in your email. So check your spam or your primary email and pull up the code, enter the code, and you're all set. Next, I gotta find a spot for these guys. So, coming up right now. Right now, all we gotta do is turn it on. See, the hub is on the wall where I'm gonna put it. Green means go.
Power on.
Whoa. She talks. So add a device. Click on top. Go to setting. Allow. You know how to do it. Go to set while using the app. There we go. Q10 Pro. Boom. Oops. Password time. And now we are connecting.
Start pairing.
Oh yeah. It might take a few seconds, hopefully.
Pairing successfully.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. And you can change the name. So you can call it Robo 2. That's what I'm going to call it. Something simple. In case you want to program your Alexa. Robo 2. Robot 2. I want Robo. Kind of like RoboCop, you know. There's Robo. Standby. Standby. And you can open her up. That's where all the good stuff's at. Daily cleaning usage skills. So it tells you how to do it right way. And then click next. Next. It's automatic zone mapping. And all these other features you could just mess around with in your free time. But we're just doing a quick video. Somewhat of a quick video. It shows the cleaning area. You could do a recharge. Room. Mode. You could change the sweeping style. We're going to do sweep and mop. And make it sure it's turbo speed. Water level. We're going to get it soaked. No map. Edit. And then now we're going to put it on the ground. Robo 2 is ready. Alright guys, here we go. Start cleaning.
Cleaning start.
Oh, she talks. He's going to do a spinneroonie. It's not that loud. And then you can see it's 3D mapping my house right now. Uh-oh. Does not like that cord. There's the other robot. Maybe they're good friends. Who knows? Here we go. Sometimes you gotta give the other one a break. Always good to have a backup. Now it's supposed to be watering the floor. I can smell it. I don't know if you guys can see the water right there. Oh, it ran over that. And it's pretty quick. There's the water drip. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. And you can see the settings right there. It's really sweet. There you go. It says cleaning area 1 mile, I think. Now where did it go? There it is. So. Yeah, it's not too loud. My dog doesn't get annoyed with it, so that's a good thing. Here we go. It's zooming though. It's definitely moving fast. So then when it's done, it's gonna go to the charging bin and empty and clean it out, and you're all set to go. So check them out. Airzeen. Uh-oh, not the dog water. Oh, shoot. See, got the dog food. There it goes. That's a good sound. Alright, YouTubers. See ya.